Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on April 8, 2018, 22 of hour, 12 of minute, and 09 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you age venison in the refrigerator? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you age venison in the refrigerator. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can you age venison in the refrigerator. At 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 days of aging is usually sufficient, but for larger deer longer is better. I usually age deer up to 17 days. If you don't have a cool basement or walk-in cooler to age your meat, you can home age your venison in the refrigerator. Last update, February 7, 2011. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time.
Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.